Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by examining the chip closely, size, depth, and whether enamel or dentin is involved. Once done, isolate the tooth with cotton rolls and dry it. Make sure saliva is controlled. You then gently roughen the enamel with a fine abrasive strip to increase bonding. Prepare etchant and bonding agent next, because you must move quickly after etching. If the patient feels anxious or sensitive, administer topical or local numbing to keep the area comfortable and still. You etch the prepared enamel for 15 to 20 seconds, rinse thoroughly, and air dry until a frosty appearance appears. This creates micro-retention. Then apply the bonding agent evenly and light cure according to product instructions, because proper cure ensures strength. Next, place composite resin in thin 1 to 2 millimeter increments. Sculpt the form that matches the original contour. Make sure to cure each increment fully before adding the next. As incremental curing, you finish by checking bite with articulating paper and adjust high spots using fine finishing burrs, because a balanced occlusion prevents fractures. Once contour is correct, polish using progressively finer polishers and a polishing paste to achieve smooth luster that resists staining. If you encounter debonding or post-op sensitivity, reassess isolation and moisture control. If compromised, remove the restoration and repeat etch bond steps. Finally, instruct the patient on avoiding hard foods for 24 to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.